Two videos ago, I've made a couple of clay skulls using a plaster mold. They weren't detailed, just roughly sculpted little skulls made exactly for this. I often use vinegar for terracotta sculptures. My interest for archaeology and love for sculpting always meets in that result. However, I want to dip these skulls into the apple vinegar all the way and see them dissolve. I usually use it pure when applying with a brush, but this time I went 1 cup vinegar, 2 cups water, hoping it wouldn't make mud, but a somewhat slower, gradual process. Exposure to acid affects the structure of clay minerals, since they are among the most reactive silicates. Some sculptors use it to fix broken pottery, but I wouldn't suggest it, since it almost always breaks after firing. I should try just water next time, with a drop of vinegar. They still turned out alright, I guess. I didn't fire them though. If you aren't storing clay properly, it may develop mold, as in fungi, or if anything organic falls into your clay container. I would suggest adding just a little bit of apple vinegar in your spray bottle for water. Wet clay will not dissolve.